How to build a resume from your LinkedIn profile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to build a resume from your LinkedIn profile. All what you have to do is log into your account, and now this is the home page. As you can see, go here to jobs option. After you click on jobs, you will find some options right here. Click on resume builder. Now right here you will find two options. You can create from profile or upload resume. Choose create from profile. And now as you can see, you can build your resume just from your profile right here. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end.